Runway 20, surface not reported, not reported. Coverage, 100%, 100%, 100%.
Sean approach, good morning, helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa is outbound.
Golf Echo November Hotel Papa, Sean approach. Good morning to you.
Heli Hotel Papa, engine 483 POB outside advance with Foxtrot 1012. Request lift and departure for landaway Duxford, and could we have 3-1 if possible?
Heli Hotel Papa, lift line number 3-1.
Lift line up 3-1, Heli Hotel Papa.
Degrees 24 now.
Clear takeoff 3-1, Heli Hotel Papa. Oh, this windy. Sunrise, good morning, helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa for basic.
Helicopter calling from radar, good morning, so again your call sign for me and patch message.
Helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa, engine 480, just airborne out of shore. I'm routing to Duxford, currently at 1,200 feet on 1012, request basic service.
Hotel Papa basic service, London QNH 1011, squawk 1731.
1011 and 1731 basic service, Heli Hotel Papa. Heli Hotel Papa, we now have 11 miles to run to Duxford, request frequency change to Duxford 122.080.
Golf Hotel Papa, squawk on security, free call Duxford, bye bye.
Squawk on security and free call Duxford, Heli Hotel Papa. Duxford information, good morning, helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa is inbound.
Helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa, Duxford information, hello, just stand by. Break Mike Lima India, your intentions? And Golf Echo November Hotel Papa Duxford, hello, Duxford is using runway 24, the left-hand circuit active in the Duxford QFB 1005.
1005 and 24 left-hand circuit, Heli Hotel Papa, engine 480 inbound from shore. Currently have 9 miles to run from the south.
Golf Hotel Papa, did you want to say left-hand downwind join for runway 24?
Left-hand downwind join for runway 24 is perfect, Heli Hotel Papa.
And Golf Hotel Papa, there is an EC55 remaining in my left-hand circuit to watch out for.
Copy, we'll keep good lookout, Heli Hotel Papa. Heli Hotel Papa is now downwind, contact the one ahead.
Helicopter Hotel Papa, roger, report final with the one ahead.
Report final, Heli Hotel Papa. Heli Hotel Papa is finals 24.
Heli Hotel Papa, there is one on the runway at this time, I'll get back to you shortly. And Golf Hotel Papa with the one on climb out, it's runway 24 left, surface and 270 degrees at 22, gusting tree, land your discretion.
And my discretion 24 and contact with the one ahead, Heli Hotel Papa.
You happy with grass, puppy?
Hey, sir.
Roger, then when you vacate, cross the grass runway and then in front of the tower on the grass, please.
Crossing the grass runway to the grass front of the tower, Heli Hotel Papa. And Heli Hotel Papa, would you like me on this side of the grass or next to the tower?
Just your side of the taxiway would be grand, not too close to the taxiway though, please.
Yeah, mate, that's not a problem, Heli Hotel Papa. Duxford information, hello, helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa is outbound.
Golf Hotel Papa, roger, QNH is 1010, it's runway 24 left or right, as you wish, no known traffic to affect, 270, 26 knots.
Approach, good afternoon, helicopter Golf Echo November Hotel Papa is inbound.
Hello, Golf Echo November Hotel Papa, sure on good afternoon, pass your message.
Heli Hotel Papa, engine 480 inbound from Duxford with Romeo 1012, currently at Henfield to join for 24 down the river if possible.
Hello, yeah, Hotel Papa, squawk 3763, basic service, And report the ATZ boundary, expect to join down the river for 24.
276, we report at the aerodrome boundary and report down the river for 24. Expect down the river for 24. Heli Hotel Papa. And Heli Hotel Papa is just entering the ATZ.
Heli Hotel Papa Roger, route via the river, cross the 20 approach, report final, runway 24. Heli Alpha AVM, air taxi via Kilo behind the Enstrom, holding point Kilo 1 initially.
Taxi Kilo 1 by Kilo, hold behind the Enstrom, Heli Alpha.
Heli Hotel Papa, give way to the opposite direction, R22, air taxi to advance.
Give way to the R22 and air taxi to advance. Heli Hotel Papa.